Gift launch. Gate Launchpool project has 323 syndicate SYND stock USDT BTC or SYND to climb airdrops. Gate Launchpool is set to launch. Project has 323 syndicate SYND. Users can stock USDT BTC or SYND shares 7,600 SYND tokens for free. New users who participate in stocking will receive a $100 position voucher available on first come first served basis. Airdrop details, stock periods, total stacking rewards 766,500 SYNT, stacking pool USDT exclusive 150,000 SYNT and price pool per hour 520.83 SYNT. Maximum stacking amount per user 2,000 USDT and 10 BTC 20,000 SYNT. Maximum stacking amount per user 0.1 USDT and 0.01 BTC and 0.1 SYNT. Unlock method unlock 100% gate launch allow users to stock and advance. You can stock your asset before the official launch of the project to ensure the start earning rewards as soon as mining begins. Users who stock BTC or USDT and choose to redeem into simple earn 7-day fixed term product can enjoy 29.16% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original stocking earning. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining my live. Thank you, everyone. Proudly introduced the Launchpool simple and fixed term earning program when users start BTC, ETH, GT, or USDT in Launchpool and choose to have their redeemed funds automatically transferred into a simple and fixed term product. They can enjoy multi-layered earnings, including extra airdrop rewards on top of their original stocking earnings, plus simple earned return of to 4% APR. Examples, if you OPT on auto transfer the redeemed fund to simple earned fixed however. Important notes to ensure full access and a smooth experience. Please update your Gate app of the latest version 7.16.0 before participating. When user participating in Launchpool choose to auto transfer their stock funds of simple and the default product will be the 7-day fixed term product. Funds transferred into a simple and fixed term will be a can. Subscription cap, the platform will automatically subscribe you to flexible term product instead and you will still be eligible for the additional airdrop reward offered in this. Yeah. आवाज नहीं है आवाज से करें each stacking pool has a personal hourly reward cap when your total reward in the pool, including bonus reach the cap. No future rewards will be received once you OPT of transfer redeem funds into a simple and fixed term product. Refresh करो refresh करो Only simple and fixed term holdings transferred via Launchpool reduction are eligible for the bonus reward. Simple and fixed term products subscribed outside Launchpool are not eligible for the for this promotion. Once you choose to auto transfer your redeem fund to the simple earn of your first redemption for a specific pool or subsequent redemption for that pool will be automatically transferred off to simple earn fixed term. Please choose with a based on your needs. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining my lunch stream. Thank you everyone. SYMD breakthrough innovation of smart rollups with smart sequencer that transform rollups of their sequencer into smart contracts, bridging of the network level, reducing cost by 100x and unlocking the next wave to innovation of the application network layer. Total rewards 766,500 SYLD and start time 2025 9 22 is poll pool total stacking rewards 500,000 SYLD mining period 12 days total stack participation 3,877 a community on internet start here read minute announcement. Build, deploy, and scale with your own Appian infrastructure for scalable, programmable, automatically uh, Appians, giving you complete control over your network sequencer and economy. What is Syndicate? Syndicate is infrastructure for building and scaling app chains with programmable on-chain sequencer via app chains. An app chain is a blockchain customized to a particular application or ecosystem and its needs. The syndicate makes it easy to build and scale app chains with programmable on-chain sequencers. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining me. Thank you, everyone. Reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to users' owned accounts on an hourly basis based on the proportion of assets they have stocked. Newcomer exclusive stocking pool. Only new users who sign up after September 17, 2025 are eligible. How to participate? Log it into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Launchpool, hold to release zero point 0.1 USDT and zero point zero 0.01 BTC, 0.1 SYND. Exclusive perk for USDT newcomer pool start to win a 100 USDT position voucher. And the users who participate in the USDT newcomer pool and mainnet pool and maintain of continuous stocking duration of no less than 48 hours with an average effective stock amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive a 100 USDT position voucher. The average effective stock amount will be calculated based on an actual stocking of redemption during the continuous stocking period. limited to 3,000 spots on a first come first served basis, exclusive stocking limit privileges for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stocking limits when participating in Launchpool with up to 500 stocking limit bonus. VIP level BTC pool maximum stocking amount per user. VIP 0 to VIP 4 and 10 BTC, VIP 5, 5 15 BTC plus 15%, and VIP 6 20 BTC and plus 100%, VIP 7 26 BTC plus 160%, and VIP 8 34 BTC plus 240%, VIP 9 45 BTC plus 350%, and VIP 10 to VIP 16 60 BTC and plus 500%. Project information based on innovation of smart rollouts with smart sequencer that transform rollouts of their sequencer into smart contracts, bringing programmability to the network level, reducing cost of 100x, and the unlocking to the next wave innovation of the education network layer official website. Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest of syndicate. SYND notes Gate Launchpool is innovative tracking airdrop platform where users can early hourly airdrops of trending and newly listed token by stocking GF, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, and other tokens when low entry barriers and high APR is easy way to capture market opportunities. Number two, USDT newcomers pool exclusive reward will be distributed as position vouchers. Eligible user will receive the airdrop within 14 working days after meeting the requirements. Participate redemption are allowed during the stocking period, but full redemption will reset the consecutive stocking duration. Redempting after meeting the requirements will not affect reward distribution. Number three, please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Number four, please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will result in the disqualification of the reward. Number five, in case of between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall provide. Number six, gate reserves all right to final explanation. Number seven, this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number eight, users in the United Kingdom of other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event game or competition. See the use agreement for future details of restricted locations. Risk warning. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you everyone. Scarqual, Nemo 148. Thank you so much for joining me. As a blockchain startup is the early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects, including operations, underlying technology, and the legal of regulatory environment. Number two, understanding blockchain is startup and assessing their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Number three, due to influence from technology of regularity, a framework, market condition, and other factors, the project you participate in may expensive significant price volatility with prices potentially rising or falling sharply. Number four, due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project or the gear trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Number five, cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin price commitment commitment on downside protection. Please ensure you are fully understand this risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform strongly warns of potential risk, it cannot assume and for any investment discussion on provide any guarantees of competition. Thank you. Thanks for joining us. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Yet Launchpool project has 323 syndicate SYND stock USDT BTC or SYND to climb airdrops. Gate Launchpool is set launch project has 323 syndicate. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, Gate Launchpool is FAQ. What is Gate Launchpool? Gate Launchpool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GTBTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSD, and other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and a new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's ultimate platform for the effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How do I participate in Gate Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account or navigate to Gate Launchpool page. Then choose a project you want to participate in and stock your assets. And number two, how which queens can I stock in Gate Launchpool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of the each project. Please visit the page of Gate Launchpool to view more details. Number four, how many tokens will be rewarded? Early stocking reward individual just 1 hour wallet stocking amount, total pool stocking amount, early reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and take the average stocking amount as the wallet stocking amount. And how are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amount hourly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. Number six, when will the stocked assets be redeemed? After the users redeemed in advance of the stocking incomplete, the stocked asset will be transferred of simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amount of the redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the maximum climb amount of simple earn, and the amount is redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum climb amount of a simple earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to sport assets. If simple earn does not support the climb of the redeemed token to the assets will also be automatically transferred to sport assets. Number seven, can I redeem my stock asset at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots to personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the wallet stocking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accurate rewards. Please maintain of stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Can I add additional stock assets? You can increase your stock assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once of the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. And number nine, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpool projects going on to the same time, you can strike its different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each striking pool needs to be struck separately. If you only strike at in a pool, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can strike pool A and pool B to obtain the mining rewards of new tokens. Number 10, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no future stocking rewards will be guaranteed. Please refer to the relevant announcement to the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for the each project. Number 11, will stocking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No, asset stocking in the gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculation for holder airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. Number 12, what will happen to my funds? It is project to end early. In case of early ending, your stock transfer will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate. What's the reward fee in the stock coin? APR is equal to total rewards releasing in the last hour. Last hour total stock x 365 x 224 x and 100%. Stock x closing price of stock queen of the last hour x 365 x 225 200%. The APR is estimated and for reference only the actual analyzed return you finally receive shall provide APR data is updated hourly about transforming the redeemed assets in a simple and fixed term. Number one, how to get airdrop bonus bonuses when you stake when you stock BTC, GT, ETH, and USDT in Launchpool, you are get bonus which is still subject to the individual reward cap per hourly by choosing to transfer the redeemed asset to a simple and fixed term. Please note that subscription to simple and flexible term or fixed term once outside Launchpool will not qualify for bonuses. When did not I receive bonus after subscribing to simple and fixed term when stocking? And if you have reached a reward cap per hour, no more bonuses will be distributed. Thank you so much, Gate users. Kafal, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Risk warning as a blockchain startup will not is early stages. The project may involve significant the various aspects, including operations, underlying technology of the legal is a regulatory environment, understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Number three, due to influences for technology, regulatory framework, market condition, and other factors, the project you're participating may experience significant price volatility. The price is potentially rising or falling sharply. Number four, due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project, the gate trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all of part of your asset for the project. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any from margin price commitment or downside protection. Please ensure that fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform strongly warns the potential risk, it cannot assume for any investment discussion or provide any guarantees of compensation. Thank you so much for joining me. Price pool Harley Kia 107 1736.11 SYN individual Harley reward gap 69.44 SYNT APR 4.21% and individual stocking gap VIP 10 BTC. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay guys, I have to go. My project is complete. Did Launchpool major to upgrade region to a simple and fixed meanwhile use plus up to 4% APR. Gate from the launch simple and fixed down to earnings program when users stock BTC, SDT, and USDT in Launchpool and choose to have their Redeemed funds automatically airdrop rewards on top of their original starting learning plus simple learn returns of the 4% APR. If you can OPT to auto transfer the redeemed fund of simple and fixed term, you will enjoy 90% bonus rate. So if you originally earned 10 tokens per hour, after the bonus you have earned 19 tokens per hour. Important notes: to ensure full access to a smooth experience, please update your Gate app of the latest version 7.16 before participating. When user participate, when you are participating in Launchpool, choose to auto transfer their Spark fund over Simple Earn. The default product will be the 7-day fixed term product funds transfer into a Simple Earn fix will be unlocked until the product matures to cannot be redeemed early. Please plan your fund usage according. Simple and flexible fund is not included in this event. If the fixed term product you selected has received to its subscription cap, the platform will automatically subscribe you at the flexible term product instead, and you will still be eligible for the additional airdrop reward offered in the event. Number three, each starting pool has a personal hourly reward cap. When your total rewards in that pool, including bonus, reach the cap, your personal rewards will be received. Once you OPT to transfer redeemed funds into a simple and fixed term product, your funds will be automatically transferred into the simple and product whether you are redeemed uh, early and the maturity. Only simple and fixed term holdings transferred where Launchpool redemption are eligible for the bonus reward. Simple and fixed term products subscribed outside Launchpool are not eligible for this promotion. Once you choose to auto transfer your redeemed funds to Simple and for your first redemption from a specific pool, all subsequent redemption from a pool will be automatically transferred to simple and fixed term. Please choose with based on your needs. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Launch Hole is quick striking our potential $96.76 million and estimated total rewards 476 point. A community owned internet start here read mainnet announcement and layer 3 build, deploy and scale what your own chain infrastructure to for scale programmable automatically composable actions giving you complete control over your network sequencer of economic. Introduction. What is syndicate? What With syndicate, developers can easily build customer application specific blockchain with programmable, automatically composable ownership over the network sequencer of economic. Using the syndicate, developers can also build customer transaction earning rules, ensuring protocols of economic system where value followed directly back of their tokenized communities on chain actions use programmable sequencer contract of syndicate chain that can be customized of their application of ecosystem by changing of their transfer with syndicate actions can leverage with roll-up framework and settlement layer of sequencer when building chain. How does syndicate agents are a special time of blockchain the leverage programmable sequencer contract of syndicate chain of the consist of their layer execution environment where transaction of process of state of the option is the date syndicate of chains can leverage of roll up framework on-chain sequencing layer programmable sequencer smart contracts and syndicate chain that defined restriction including ordering economic blockchain that provides cryptographic security. Finally, settlement it also offers the action is token developers can choose from the 40 key benefits. Syndicate is the easy customization of transaction order rules, easily customized after update transaction including of ordering rules through a single smart contract model upgrade reduce the market of cost is 100%. Custom economic models design custom economic through transaction inclusion ordering per fee structure that value MEV lower operating cost 10 to 100x plan is reducing overhead the 10 to 100% through for nodes atomic cross chain automatically compose syndicate actions different chains of shares is example to your cases syndicate actions are ideal for a why actions understand the problem with the actions with programmable on-chain sequencers solve of their transformative potential of bring Web3 mainstream historical context the evolution toward applications contractions general purposes or application built of the same block space underlying economic system leads to of high fees on limited value of capture is application higher scaling general purpose can improve performance and lower fees but still do not allow for the network or sequencer level customization for particular application of ecosystem applications centric tools we have now entered to the era of application and application like unswipe world agent for the generate agency control of ownership ultimate actions are the engine for the web3 and how blockchains scale to billion users as the maximally origin agents of automatically composable example action while actions of still relatively new rules and the cases are emerging across commerce actions, finance actions, gaming actions, and social actions. The big trade of customized of
Composability. Total application faces core, transform, build, or general purpose to composable with a wider ecosystem economic opportunities for deeper elegant is the economic growth through the network customization control of ownership. Every day more applications are choosing offline action syndicate, however, break the fundamentals um, trade trade-off offering of AppGem fully customization control and automatic compose. The problems centralized sequencer limit what AppGems can do. Most AppGems today rely on off-chain centralized sequencer providers that designers the world with many application-specific networks. The centralization introduced major and limitations of term of control scalability, limited control of customization option is a sequencer operation with flexible logic is the hard upgrade. Developers can define custom transaction include as a order role and signal points for failure. Most rollups rely on a single sequencer expensive or scaled often is a sequencer infrastructure costly to run remain maintained, increasing the overhead through the amount of loss of guarantees. Application can easily safely compose across chains, leading the UXDX more risk and data storage availability for most roller transaction data is secure. In the future, apps with program-able on-chain sequencers and fully customization and control and no signal points of failure, custom economic models, protocols, lower cost of operator to scale acts and automatic cross-chain composability on-chain data storage, all transaction or ordering data and stored of directly on-chain permanently, not centralized services temporary blocks to expire and progressive decentralization of tokenized community enable get started. Syndicate stock syndicate is shared network to network is the who scales Web3 through automatically composable programmable action transaction follow right path user limited syndicate, mempool, syndicate sequencer, syndicate chain, syndicate translator, rollup framework, cross syndicate proposer, settlement chain, course, complaints, syndicate, mempool. The mempool collects transaction period of submission is sequencer. Syndicate sequencer maintained by syndicate. The sequencer handles transaction submission of sequencing contract. Syndicate chain is a dedicated blockchain that enables on-chain sequencing of the entire ecosystem of all chains. Syndicate translator, the translator indicates syndicate chain is the settlement chain in blocks for the syndicate chain, combines them with settlement data with according to defined rules. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me. Engage user, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Rollup Framework. The Rollup Framework currently powered by is where translation of actually processed. It's token a sequence blocks. Syndicate proposer maintained by syndicate. The proposer submits for the settlement chain is necessary. The bridging is the withdrawal is ensured that state chains from the execution environment to properly committed to settlement chain, maintaining security, settlement chain integration with exciting and solution. The settlement chain typically of established tool like this attribute Ethereum mainnet availability by building to proven end of the end absence definition while the syndicate stock of technically is simple to approach. It manage infrastructure handles of the uh, running absence infrastructure. The syndicate absence of a provides translator of proposer is handles update monitoring scaling without requires deep blockchain operational getting started The syndicate is configured different levels of customization to control the sequencing architecture. Understanding sequencing architecture to how syndicate approach compares introduction sequencing at the heart of the how blockchain network is the order introduction the discount compares. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gate Chosen. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, everyone. Gate Chosen, thank you. Introduction sequencing is part of how blockchain or network order to propose transaction that discount compares to different sequencing approaches compared on-chain syndicate. Syndicate on-chain sequencing is the transaction ordering logic from centralized shared sequencing. Shared sequences is a combined based sequencing. Thank you so much, Gate user. Thank you. Thank you so much for the compliment. Day layers, data availability, vertical. Deploy your first app 10 minutes with Syndicate, the guide, walk of through, and the key configuration option for your new options. Syndicate handles of the deployment. What is your configure? Number one, set chain and sequencing models, configure fee models, set governance, and what's your need is specify, configure execution environment. What is your get with choose settlement layer. Next step, the dive deeper is into customizing and optimizing your app chain. Check out these resources. Chain step understand which is the parameter configure of the option. Chain name is a human readable name of your app chain. No special character that will use valid explore the user choose something short memorable, unique is the project community. Once set the chain name cannot the change without replying. Option is the chain ID and block time. Add custom guest token. Learn how to design, implement, integrate custom tokens in your syndicate app chain. What is your custom configure sequencing? Learn how to configure sequencing for your app chain, how on-chain sequencing works, selecting exciting models, build custom models, use your chain. Thank you so much, Shirwang. Thank you, Wushi. Wushi, thank you. A focus guide of interacting with your app chain. Recovery producers app chains may offer unique recovery such as assets bridging is how developers move assets across network bridging from your settlement deposit process and app chain withdrawal process. App chain developer security best practices bringing SYND tokens to base using super bridge is wallet setup. How to contact your wallet on your app chain design into your wallet UX. Add your app chain to MetaMask of other wallets design and your wallet US connect exciting wallets and Monitor chain, how to use Block Explorer of Monitor your syndicate apps and Block Explorer are essential for apps. They provide transparency, lets you track transaction, verify contracts to monitor network to access your app chain. Block Explorer, visit your app chain sequencing models, modular smart contract to customizable transaction ordering permission action is the cross and according permission models. Action models is enable competitive sequencing right through sailed executions framework. What your execution framework start with orbit the key technical benefits of provides build of customizability stylus WASM environment summary asset withdrawal first secure option withdrawal design our customized sequencing layer change how to transaction of processed order by derived with core computation token bridging syndicate options used to token bridging the consensual log to mint mechanism used by how to standard bridge work block time block time learn more about block time recommended block times here the general guidelines of the selecting of block time factors of consider when choosing a block time best practice smart contractive Selene chain. Selene chain is a live demo syndicate programmable on-chain sequencer sequencing model lunar phase permissions. Get started. Are you are RAS rollup as a service? Now we are not RAS, but we partner with the SaaS providers. We offer the ability to easily spin off your chain with a fewer depend dependence by replacing centralized sequencer with decentralized merchant sequencers are your roll-up framework. Now we are not a roll-up framework. We integrate with exciting roll-up framework provides the programmable sequencing with a long-term data storage. Are you a DA data availability layer? Now we know data availability layer. We use data availability layer to under the hood and by using sequencing on top syndicate or your data is stored there so you don't need separate data availability layer are you a shared sequencer how are you different from shared sequencing on base what framework does your action support currently we support is blockchains what gas token can I use you can use ETH custom 20 gas tokens. What sentiment layer can I use? Any sentiment layer can I use the most common one Ethereum mainnet of base. Is there anything special I have to do your services now? All your exciting tooling is valid should work without any modification. And do you fork any code of your rollup framework not functionally we are tagged with minimal additive for exposes a few extra read. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. Introducing common chain where SYND holders direct the network. Common chain is a syndicate network of force stocking emission is SYND holders direct actively of shape the network. Syndicate Mainnet is like the foundation of a community. On internet, syndicate Mainnet is like for the first time developers and of their communities is often every layer to their network sequencer infrastructure of economics. Syndicate announces first ever community. First token is launch of and the base SYND airdrop to 100 plus DAO trigger organization of website to build community on internet together built on America on other communities syndicate from US and DUNA introducing smart roll-up with smart sequencers syndicate engage building to truly community over internet introducing syndicate first gaming apps and innovation to build a community over internet with US research pieces, mutual funds and research pieces, mountain clubs and research piece announcing syndicate chain and the path to a community over internet. Okay, my project is complete.